Koval? Koval? His eyes are so empty. Just like Krauter's. Koval! What the hell is wrong with you?
Are all the symptoms the same as Dr. Krauter's?
He's calm. Calmer.
Well, at least he's alive. Now listen to me, Yasna. The lander is on its way, but before you get Dr. Koval on board, I want you to do something. Yasna,
I'm listening.
please look around for his journal.
It's everywhere. In pieces.
Not good. Koval was in radio contact with Dr. Gorski.
Taking notes.
That's exactly why it's so important. These notes may help us find our man.
I'll go over them. But it may take a while. Huh.
Have you found it?
No, it's nothing about Dr. Gorski. Found them.
Die Strukturen verzweigen sich im Untergrund. G überprüft den rechten Ausläufer. Zweitens, riesige vertikale Struktur, sie ragt über die Oberfläche. Drittens, Wassertank, unterirdische Strukturen. Viertens, die bislang größte, 150 Meter im Berg markiert. Fünftens, von Punkt 4 aus sichtbar, Azimut 350, Entfernung 200.
Surprisingly accurate. He wrote down Gorski's every step.
Great. Let's get Koval to the evacuation area. Can you carry him, Doctor?
Won't be pretty hard in 1G. But the gravity here should make things a tad easier. Got him.
Bring Koval zum
When you're
Lager.
there, put Dr. Koval in the seat. And I'll connect to the Androbot through the lander's antenna.
Haven't you rebooted yet?
No, not quite. But it will work now.
The lander's already descending.
Wurscht. Der wandernde Tragsimulator. Na Mädchen, du fängst an ins Schwitzen an. Was ist los?
I don't get it. What could have led to all this? Krauter? Our dear Marit? Now Koval? An unprecedented degradation of equipment, recurring connectivity issues. It all has to be related somehow. On the other hand, how could it be? There's not much on this planet. Some primitive life forms in the ocean, metal deposits in the ground. Although the latter got Dr. Gorski's interest for some reason.
It's difficult to find a consistent pattern. All of this seems insane. Pure chaos. But I don't believe in coincidences. The greatest threat to humans is usually, well, humans. So I believe our crew members have fallen victim to the Alliance's actions.
I must say, in any other situation, I'd be sure of it. The Invincible, however, is not in the Lyra system yet. Their other ships have never even ventured near these regions of the galaxy. Or at least, there's no indication.
Except for all these disturbing events.
Right. Something doesn't add up.
Sage ich ja, hier ist das faul.
See you up there. Only Gorski's left, who might have made it quite far.
Agreed. Everything points to it.
I don't know how long I'll be looking for him. It might take hours before I come back.
We also don't know Gorski's condition, nor what he's going through.
Wir müssen schnell sein, ich kann...
It would be best if I followed Gorski right away. But shouldn't I still transfer the others?
No, there's no need. I just regained control of the Androbot, so please leave it to me.
Understood.
Ich brauche einen Speicherpunkt, bitte. Wieso zeigt ihr, wieso... Spiel? Finde Dr. Gorski. Hier entlang. Kurzer Blick, kann man nicht speichern? Nee, kann man nicht. Schade. Da ist ja was. Feldflagge.
I'm leaving the excavation site. How did he come down?
Auf die gleiche Art und Weise wie du gerade.
I've got Gorski's signal.
So soon? It's unlikely to be him.
Then who?
Not who, but what. Well, it's weird. Dr. Gorski hardly ever parted with it.
You were correct, sir. It's just our probe. It looks inactive.
Can't be completely broken if you picked up a signal. I'd say it's running in safe mode. Please try to power it on.
Do we have time for this?
It's for a good reason, Doctor. The probe could prove useful in the search. And besides... you'll see.
Okay. I'm opening the probe. Turning the systems on.
No, stop. Wait for my instructions. There's a button on the left side of the fuse box. Hold it, and then turn the dial again. Now go ahead.
Slide records?
Correct.
I didn't know we had access to them.
You couldn't have known. This is not standard procedure. But as they say, extremis malice, extrema remedia.
Let's take a look. A photo of the first days on the surface. They started exploring the littoral zone almost immediately.
They reported as much. Wasn't until the fourth day that comms failed.
Aha. Das ist aber unterirdisch. Oder beziehungsweise im Wasser. Der erste Fisch. Ausgrabung.
I recognize these structures. This is where they began to dig.
Dann haben sie ins Graben angefangen. Ist auch in Ordnung. Und dann hat dieses irgendwas gemacht. Warte, was ist denn hier?
12 hours passed. 3 crew members are still there. Dr. Gorski must have left already.
We lost contact shortly thereafter.
Ja, und nach was soll man jetzt suchen? Das kapiere ich jetzt nicht ganz. Ah, bisschen. Vielleicht finden wir ja was. Irgendwo, irgendwie, irgendwann, irgendwo, irgendwie, irgendwann. Hier, Detektor.
The probe followed him, and he followed the detector's readings.
Going after those metal structures.
Yes, that's what I meant.
What's next?
Last slide. There's mostly noise.
Nothing in particular stands out to you, Doctor. They were digging and suddenly, poof, people are dead?
No need to shout, Astrogator. I'm just letting you know what I see. That's all. Hang on. An absurdly high electromagnetic field reading.
That's something. Sort of. What are the earlier readings?
Checking. Still high on the slide just before. And earlier, quite normal.
Ja, und nu? Ja, es wird nicht besser, auch wenn ich es 300 Mal herumblätter wie ein Trottel. Hat ein bisschen?
It happened in a matter of seconds. But there's nothing except dunes. Sand, a few rocks, a shadow,
Shadow.
another sandstorm, I guess.
All right, Doctor. Let's move on. You may turn on the fuses now. We'll take the probe with us. Good. I've got it on my radar. Now I can give commands to the probe. And? What do you see? Is it working correctly?
Wirkt immer noch so, als wäre sie
It's
beschäftigt.
not flying very smoothly. I guess it's still a bit
Ah,
broken.
beschädigt.
Meaning? How?
It moves only in a straight line. Just up and down, then sideways. No complex moves.
Ah, don't worry about that. It's because I'm controlling it manually. I'll put it in auto mode. From now on, it will follow you, Doctor.
Oh, it'd be nice to have some company. I mean, apart from yours, sir.
1 second. That's odd. There's no data in the probe's memory. No ID, no nothing. Do you want to give it a new ID? Name it, basically. After all, it'll be with you for a while. So, what's it going to be?
Es ist doch nur eine ID, die,
Please use your old name. It was Olga, if I remember correctly.
Makes sense, given that it's still the same probe. Done. Now, a few more tweaks, and you'll have a flying measurement center at your disposal.
Finde Dr. Gorski. Ja, aber ich würde gerne mal, beziehungsweise, wo ist denn der nächste Speicherpunkt? Was bist du im Radar? Oder am Dingsbums, Bumsdings?
I don't see these metal structures anywhere.
The only surface structure...
The detector's measurement is very clear. I'm going straight on.
No crossroads? Branches?
Not yet. Just one thick, tangled vein.
Ja, was ist da wirklich passiert oder was war da wirklich los?
Hi, Olga.
Und dieses Teil hat jetzt nur sie auf dem Radar, ne? Wir folgen mal dieser dicken Ader.
The probe detected something.
I see that in the...
Jana findet mittlerweile ein weiteres Mitglied der Besatzung. Kobal erlebt behindert sich aus Stupor. Jasna startet die Sondergemeinschaft neu. Diese von nun begleitet. Der letzte Mann auf der Suche nach Gorski verwendet Jasna einen Metalldetektor, um unterirdische Strukturen aufzuspüren.
What is it exactly?
Well, the structure from the notes, it fits the description perfectly. Well done, probe.
Olga.
Right. Well done, Olga. I knew I could count on you.
Well, we didn't bring it to the surface for no reason. Even in the first stage procedure.
And now I'm going to apply for my own.
As soon as you find Dr. Gorski, I'll see to it myself. All right, how about that point? What does it look like? What caught the doctor's attention?
Es sieht das ist das Baugerüst.
Looks sort of like scaffolding set up underground. Inside the ground, actually.
An unusual structure shape?
Definitely.
Do you think someone actually built it?
Was a far-fetched theory, but seems so.
Hier sind wir. Punkt 3.
The next point, the third one, is a metal bundle running along the bottom of some water reservoir.
Interesting. An object as such should be easy to locate.
Piu, piu. Sag, wann speichert denn das Spiel? Einstellungen. Grafik. Untertitel. Textgröße. Barrierefreiheit. Ja. Ich habe keine Ahnung, wann das Spiel speichert. Hier ist die Wasserquelle, die der eine gemeint hat. Teich. Mal schauen, was hier auf uns wartet.
Water was mentioned in the note, around the third point. And I have a matching object here.
All right. So how many are left?
2 points. Or at least that's what he told Koval. What he did next, it's hard to assess.
Well, the battery in the detector lasts for only a few hours, so he couldn't have gone much further.
The fourth point is a structure that fills a rock massive, on top of which he found surface structures.
Sounds like a crucial node in this whole system.
Okay. Ja, kannst du hier durchs Wasser marschieren oder gehst drauf? Na, sie kann durchs Wasser marschieren. Sehr schön. Sehr, sehr schön. Hätte ich mal gesagt. Wir müssen hier entlang. Fußabdrücke.
Gotcha. I found his tracks. Finally, some tangible evidence that he was going this way.
Good. And it's downhill all the way, Doctor.
I wouldn't be so sure, Astrogator. The next point is at a height of approximately 100 meters. Definitely uphill. I think we have the fourth point.
Vulkanische Aktivität auch noch. Na super. Nein, du sollst... RT.
I confirm. It's the fourth one. I see our flag.
Es wird ewig dauern, und wenn ich ihn nicht finde, ja.
What if I don't find him at all?
You will. Just follow his tracks carefully. According to our records, it's been no more than 6 hours since he was here. Think about it, Doctor. On a cosmic scale, it's nothing.
Well, on a human scale, it could mean the difference between life and death. The structures undergo noticeable changes here. If it keeps growing at this rate, I don't know what I'll find at the end.
What kind of growth are you talking about, Doctor? Depth, width, complexity level?
In every
Wow.
aspect.
Interesting. Do you think these veins lead somewhere? To something?
I'm leaning more and more towards that conclusion. But I can't tell what we might expect at the end, if it ends at all.
Hier entlang.
Whoa, hey! Easy there.
Hier müssen wir entlang. Na bitteschön. Auch der Mann mit der weißen Farbe ist immer fleißig. Schon seit Anbeginn der Zeit.
2, 1.
The land is departing.
Yes, they're on their way.
Was ist mit dir und Gorski?
What's the plan for the second flight? The same place?
That would work best. Certain, proven. When you and Dr. Gorski come back, I'll send the lander right away.
Oder er lässt uns alleine zurück. Ja, wieso? Hier auf diesem Haufen lässt sich leise sterben, gell? Mal hier entlang. Kann ich bei dir speichern?
I've reached the top. The doctor discovered something new from here. Something he called bushes.
I've heard that term before.
In their conversations between Koval and Gorski.
No, Jasna. You're the one who reported it to me. Right after you landed.
Seriously? Well, I don't see anything like it now, sir. Wait. Koval noted down the parameters. Azimuth 350. Distance 200 meters.
Copy that. I'm sending the probe.
Okay, das haben wir schon gesehen. Da müssen wir. Schwarze Büsche.
Got it. I see the bushes.
And the doctor?
Hard to tell. Visibility is poor. It's gonna be harder than before. I don't know how the doctor...
When it comes to finding a safe route, there won't be a problem. But you'll have to get there on your own 2 feet.
I suppose the probe will carry out the first task. It's capable yet?
Of course. I set the environment analysis mode. The probe will calculate the best route between your location and your destination. It'll guide you along the defined path. The calculations will only take a moment.
Und wo speichert dieses Spiel? Naja. Oder bisschen. Fotomodus. Ah, wir sehen zum ersten Mal unseren Hauptcharakter. Na gut, warum auch nicht? Das ist die große Frage, wo wir jetzt hin müssen. Sonder.
Hi, Olga. Lead the way. I must say, it's a clever device, this probe of ours. Hey, can it fly for this long?
Yes. Longer than you can stand on your feet.
Sounds like the perfect research unit. Maybe even better than a human.
Well, let's not exaggerate.
Das war ein Scherz.
Of course, I wasn't being serious. However helpful they may be, they're still just tools in the hand of man. often faulty.
Wo ist denn der Detektor?
Oh, we have a problem.
Something serious?
I already mentioned the faulty machines, right? Well, the route determined by the algorithm goes over a chasm.
I can repeat the command.
No. I'll go around.
Unfortunately, this is an outdated model. Such mistakes are inevitable. But the perception module itself has already been greatly improved. Its accuracy increases exponentially.
Exponentially? Can you imagine us, proteinaceous creatures, developing so quickly, sir?
No, not in the course of evolution. You can't perfect a person like that.
That's right, you can't. We wait thousands of years for visible changes.
Have you started to fear for your position?
Well, everything indicates that the clear distinction between humans and robots will soon disappear.
And then what?
Blöde Geschichte jetzt, was ich zeige euch jetzt. Ja, es ist eigentlich scheißegal, was ich nehme. Weißt du was? Wir machen uns ein bisschen, ja, wir machen einfach mal ein bisschen mit. Die Menschen werden an Fähigkeiten gewinnen, meine Rechte bekommen. Roboter. Das sind alles so Themen, die mich eigentlich privat gar nicht interessieren. Ich tue einfach mal irgendwas.
We won't be limited by our own abilities. Robots will excel in areas where we either cannot or do not want to surpass them. To put it bluntly, they will do the dirty work for us.
And we'll just sit in the warm privacy of a laboratory? Send them to the other side of the universe?
Yeah, that's one example.
Well, I don't know.
Shh, Astrogator, can you hear that?
What am I supposed to be hearing?
That's the point. Nothing. Silence. We're talking about robots, and Dr. Gorski still hasn't spoken on the channel.
Well, I don't know. He must be a long way from here.
Gut. Egal, was jetzt noch kommen mag. Das Spiel hat er vorhin gespeichert. Ich sage jetzt mal danke fürs Zuschauen. Wir sehen uns in der nächsten Aufnahme wieder. Wenn es dir gefallen hat, gerne wieder. Und ja, ich hoffe, du hast ein bisschen Spaß dabei gehabt. Baba dabei.